going to present problems 10 and 11 together because they are related. Has to do with payback period. As you may remember from the lecture, the payback period does not include any discount rate and simply answers the question, how long does it take to get my investment back? So you can see in problem 1210 that a $50,000 investment with getting a cash flow of $10,000 back in year one will leave you $40,000 short. Year two, you get 11,000. Year three, you get 13, and year four, you get 16. So you get exactly your $50,000 back in 4 years. The payback period is 4 years. You invested $50,000, you got $50,000 back, took you 4 years. Does not give you a rate of return, obviously. You would spend $50,000 to get $50,000 back over the next 4 years. That would not make financial sense. It doesn't consider factors after year four. In investment B, once again, you invest $50,000, but you get cash flows of 20, 25, and then you get cash flow of 15,000. Now, after 3 years, you've got more than your money back. You've got 60,000. So partway between year two and year three, and that partway is 0.33. So you take the 5,000, which is the shortfall that you had before the year started. So you have 50,000, you get 20 grand back, you have $30,000 short. In year two, you get another 25,000, so you're only $5,000 short. So that's where the 5,000 comes from. And you divide it by the 15,000 because the cash flows are considered to be even throughout the year. So you simply take the shortfall at the beginning of the year, the 5,000, and divide it by the cash flow for the year of 15,000 and get 0.33. Add it to the 2 previous years and get 2.33 years. So getting your money back in 2.33 years is superior to getting your money back in 4 years. Now, in problem number 12-11, you can see that the additional funds for investment A, the 30,000, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Anything past year 4 is irrelevant for investment A. Anything past year 2.33 is irrelevant for B. So changing the cash flow after the payback period is one of the weaknesses of the payback period evaluation method. And you can see that it doesn't change anything. So the same thing as if you added year 4 cash flow for B or year 5 cash flow for B, it's irrelevant. You just ignore it. And this is further explained in the lectures.